Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding a link to your Instagram bio using your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Step 3. Next, tap on Edit Profile. Step 4. On the Edit Profile page, you'll find various fields where you can update your information. Click on the section labeled Links. Step 5. To add your link, you have two options: adding an external link or adding your Facebook profile. For an external link, copy and paste or type your URL into the designated slot and provide a title for the link in the space below. For a Facebook profile link, a pop-up window will appear indicating that the link will be visible to everyone on Instagram. Tap on Add Profile Link. Step 6. Once you've added your desired link, click on the checkmark icon at the top. Step 7. Lastly, tap the checkmark icon again to save the changes you've made. Congratulations! You have successfully added a link to your Instagram bio using your Android device. Now, your followers can easily access the link you've shared. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching.